In this section of the course, we're going to cover the basic principles and concepts surrounding cloud networking and cloud-based architectures. As we go through this section, we'll be primarily focused on Domain 1, which is Cloud Concepts, and Objective 1.2. This objective, Objective 1.2, states that you must be able to identify cloud networking concepts, and specifically software-defined networking, firewalls, DNS, load balancing, virtual private networks, direct connect, and some remote access types, including SSH, RDP, VNC, and HTTPS. Now, as we begin this section, we will cover a newer technology known as software-defined networking, or SDN. Software-defined networking is a networking architecture that separates the control plane from the data plane. Now, the control plane is the portion that makes decisions on how data is transmitted, and the data plane is what physically carries the data. The goal of software-defined networking is to allow network administrators to manage their networks more efficiently and flexibly. Next, we will discuss firewalls and the different types of firewalls that can be used with cloud services. A firewall is a security system that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. Firewalls can be hardware-based or software-based, and they are commonly used to protect networks from unauthorized access. Then, we will discuss domain name systems, also known as DNS. DNS is the system that translates human-readable domain names such as DionTraining.com into IP addresses which are used by computers to identify each other on the internet. DNS acts like a phone book for the internet, making it possible for users to find websites and other resources using domain names. After that, we'll discuss load balancing. A load balancer is a networking device that distributes incoming network traffic across multiple servers in order to ensure that no single server becomes overwhelmed and unavailable. Load balancing helps ensure that applications and websites remain available and perform well, even during periods of high traffic. Next, we have virtual private networks. A virtual private network, or a VPN, is a private network that is built on top of a public network, such as the internet. VPNs allow users to securely access resources on the private network, such as corporate intranet, or work from a remote location. VPNs create a secure and encrypted tunnel for transmitting data, protecting it from eavesdropping and tampering. Then, we will discuss a technology called Direct Connect. Direct Connect is a dedicated network connection between an organization's on-premise infrastructure and a cloud service provider, such as AWS, Azure, or GCP. Direct Connect allows organizations to bypass the public internet and establish a private, secure connection to the cloud, which can improve performance and reduce latency. After that, we will discuss the different types of remote access types that are available for use with cloud-based services, including SSH, RDP, VNC, and HTTPS. Secure Shell, or SSH, is a secure network protocol that is used to remotely log into computers or servers. SSH provides secure encrypted communications between two untrusted hosts over an unsecure network. Remote Desktop Protocol, or RDP, is a protocol that allows a user to remotely access a computer and its desktop environment. RDP provides a graphical interface for accessing a remote computer, allowing users to run applications, transfer files, and perform other tasks as if they were physically at the computer. Virtual Network Computing, or VNC, is a remote desktop protocol that provides a graphical interface for remotely accessing a computer. VNC is similar to RDP, but it's cross-platform and supports a variety of operating systems. Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, or HTTPS, is a secure version of the HTTP protocol used for transmitting data over the internet. HTTPS encrypts data in transit, protecting it from eavesdropping and tampering. Finally, we will perform a quick demonstration so that you can see these cloud design concepts applied in the real world, and then we'll review each one of these quiz questions to fully ensure that you understand and can explain why the right answers are right and why the wrong answers are wrong. So let's get ready to discuss the different things to consider when using networks within cloud services in this section of the course.